Alright guys, Captain Pizzazz here. Just figured I'd do a little supplemental for the trailer wiring, just for you guys who want to add a rear fog light and a backup light. As I was saying in the original video, pin 2, the rear fog on and off. This box is the trailer plug in the car. So on the trailer plug in the car, pin 2 is the rear fog on and off, and pin 3 is the actual power for the fog light. So pin 2 is the firing and pin 3 is the light itself. So if we go up to our diagram, let me try and zoom out here and do the best I can. I'm doing this on my phone. So you see, we'll have those other 5 for the converter. I left the tail light on the board. Imagine the 4 other relays over here off to the right. So if you want to add a rear fog or a backup, this is how you wire that. And it's wired pretty much the same way as the tail lights. You just got to get the pin configurations to go to the right places. So if you want to add a rear fog light, you take pin 2, which is your fog on and off, and you go in to 86 on your rear fog relay, and then 85, of course, goes off to ground. All the 85s go to the ground. So then that's done for the firing side for the rear fog. So when you push that button for the rear fog light on the car, that'll fire that relay, and then these 2 contacts will connect up here. So then on the trailer, on the harness in the car, to get the power to your rear fog, use pin 3. So pin 3 will come into 87 or 87A. And then the last pin on the relay is pin 30, and that will go out to the lamp. And it's the same pretty much for the backup light. So pin 8 is the backup light. So you fire the backup light with pin 8 into 86, 85 goes to ground, and then on the car's harness, pin 9, which is our trailer light power. That's what I'm using for that. That is the higher amperage circuit. I did the research. That's a 25 or 30 amp. So you come in from pin 9, and the taillights also have a pin 9. But come in from pin 9, so you jumper that and jumper that. And then once this fires, it'll connect those 2, and this output will go to the backup light from pin 30. So that's how you wire those 2 extra ones. I don't know how electric brakes work. I've never used them. I've never wired one up. So I don't know in your situation. You might be able to fire the brake helper or electric brakes with P6 if you have that in your car. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. So excuse me, gentlemen. And you're probably asking yourself, well, I have 5 relays over here that go into 4-wire circuit, or into a 4-wire trailer plug. Where do I go with these 2 now so I have it all nice and neat in a trailer plug? If you go on Amazon, I think eBay has them too, Google it, whatever you search, however you search, look up an Australian 7-pin trailer plug, and you'll be able to get all of these, because you'll have 4 here, and that'll give you 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6. So if I'm counting right in my head. But anyways, guys, just so you can visualize, if you want to add more circuitry to this, that's how you wire it. And remember, this is your firing side and your power side. So, anyways, guys, stay safe out there. And as always, car love.